Arvind Kejriwal now on the news. Arvind, what really is the problem that you have about the government bifurcating different parts of what you want into different bills? What is your problem if they have a separate citizens charter, for example?
You see, you have broken Jan Lokpal bill into several parts to make it completely ineffective.
Why?
You have a Whistleblower Protection Act where you have said that CVC will provide protection to whistleblowers.
Okay.
CVC does not have any powers and any resources. So you are projecting as if you are bringing a bill for whistleblower protection, but it is a completely ineffective bill. Likewise, you said there will be a separate bill for judiciary. In that bill, you are not even talking of corruption of judiciary. Now you have a third bill for citizens charter. Now the citizens charter bill is also so highly centralized, and it is again an ineffective bill. I will not like to take the time in this particular program. We can discuss it separately. So you are breaking up Jan Lokpal bill into several bills, and all of the rest of the bills are so completely ineffective that you have rendered this Jan Lokpal bill as ineffective.
No, but what? Okay, now let's move on to two or three quick other issues. What did Anna Hazare mean when he said there were some drawbacks in the team, but it doesn't amount to corruption? He was talking in the context of some of the criticism that has been made of members of the team.
You see, what he was saying, I think this was in response to a question where he was asked that some members have left the team.
Yes.
And do you think that the selection of the team members was not right? So he said that the movement has grown so big suddenly. So those people who we all came in touch with at that time and who were leading other movements, those are the people who were brought together. So there could be, he said, one could say that there was some mistake in selecting some people, or there could be some mistake in identifying people. But he said, by and large, he said that there is no corruption as far as any of the team members is concerned.
Okay, lastly, Arvind, there have also been concerns about deep ideological differences within the group. On issues related to Kashmir, to Maoism, you are seen to be slightly right of centre. Prashant Bhushan is obviously seen to be left of centre. How united is the team?
No, you see, let's not talk of other issues. I wouldn't like to talk on other issues, but I can only assure you that these are all stories which are planted by Congress. These are all stories which are completely baseless. There is no divide in the team. We are all united. We have said this after our core committee meeting also, and Anna has also made a very categorical statement that this team is completely united. So there are no fissures in the team.
Arvind Kejriwal, thank you very much. We follow what Team Anna does. We follow every story, and it is a privilege to bring the news to each one of you. I will see you again soon. Good night and goodbye.